welcome to Monday. Welcome to my memo, Monday's memo, and discussing what I'm going to try and work on for the week. I'm going to try to get some stuff done in my 52 weeks of the Bible journal. I want to come in and get all my pockets glued down. And then I did find all my prayer cards. So all my prayer cards have been accounted for. I want to pop in and see if there's any I might be missing. I saw somebody do a Dollar Tree haul and they had, I think, a different set than I've got. But, I'm going to use what I have and keep my eyes and ears out. And then also what I want to do is I want to find a set of the big jumbo playing cards. So, and put those in here as well. I want to get a few of the things Miss Etta made for me in this journal, and I just want to plop those in. I'll glue those down, and as we go through, I'll tell you which ones she's made for me and which ones I've made. That's why I want to get the jumbo cards. And then with these, I want to try and make hidden journal cards, where this would be, it would actually be this side and this side, and then there'll be an index card in the middle, and then you would pull this off. So I'll show it to you when we get there. I've made them before, but we'll make it on camera. And then I want to use my giant index cards, and I want to create some hidden journaling spots where I can just write, my interpretation of the Bible, or maybe a prayer, or something like that. So with asking for prayer, let's keep all of our friends, either on YouTube or out in the real world, in our hearts, in our prayers. And let's continue to pray for Miss Etta. As many of you know, she is a heart transplant recipient, and sometimes she has some tough days, and other days she does pretty well. But she is a daughter in Christ, and a beautiful woman. You got to go see her channel. And then let's also pray. I don't know if you guys remember our dear friend Melinda, but if you know, you know. Please keep her in your prayers as she is going through the same, being a transplant donor. And then let's keep Sharon from, you know what, I can always forget her Connection of Lives and Interest 2000. She's been under the weather, so let's also keep her in prayer. And then also what I wanted to add was I did find a digital for our passports. So I think that might go a lot faster. And then somewhere I saw something where we could use the ones with the ovals. And if I see that again, I'll remember to save it and we'll work on that. But that's what we've got coming up for the week. I'd also like to get some stuff done in Lenore, our beautiful new journal. And then I also saw something, and it was a gift that Miss Dahlia received in a Happy Mail. And so I saw that and I said, my goodness, I can make those. So I'll show that to you also when the time comes. And so that's basically what's on the menu this week. And as always, I hope you'll stick around and join me for that. And folks, if there's something you want to see and I know how to do it, please ask. I'm always up for subscriber requests. And with that being said, I'm going to hop on out of here and get ready for Tuesday's video. I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays. I try to post on Saturdays, and I always post on Sundays. So hang out, have a good time with us, and let's get some fun journal making done. All right, bye guys. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.